April showers bring forth May flowers. But hold on a second, are we talking about the weather in this video? This guy's gone a little bit crazy. Keep watching to find out what's going on in Richard's head this month. Hey, how you doing today? It's Richard Butler, Director of Education, and yes, that little phrase of April showers brings forth May flowers is really important for your content creation and publishing strategy. You may be asking why? Well, what you sow this month will flourish and blossom and help you grow your business. So you see, I'm not that crazy when I come up with some of these intros, but remember, it's all about little steps. Now, before we go any further, last month I asked you in my video, see the link here if you've not already watched it, what was meant by the phrase, what's the story? And you have to say it in that Dublin accent, it's, what's the story? But you usually put at the end. Well, actually, it's a greeting we use in Ireland to ask if the person has any news. So you would say, what's the story, bud? And I would go, no story, if I had no news. So the story this month is we're talking about mental health and rebirth. And I want to show you how we're going to tie all of the holidays this month together so that each holiday builds up into another holiday during the month. But before we start, let's talk about a few important things. Make sure you click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you're the first to know about our free training videos. And in case you didn't know, each and every month we put together a content marketing calendar for every month of the year with over 200 holidays and events paired with several marketing ideas that you can implement straight away in your business. But not only this, we also provide links for you to the done for you content so you don't have to write from scratch ever again. Just download it and brand it as your own. And maybe give it a little tweak here and there. So the link for the April content calendar is in the description below. Now remember, all of our content is delivered in editable formats, meaning you can download it, edit it, tweak it, change it, add to it, and publish it under your own brand. You know, I'm always afraid that I'm going to say edible content, but no, please do not eat our content because no, it wouldn't be very good. Okay, so that's that out of the way. So what are we going to look at this month? Well, April 1st, April Fool's Day. April 2nd, Good Friday, Easter Monday. April 7th, World Health Day. April 14th, International Moment of Laughter Day. April 16th, National Stress Day. April 23rd, Lover's Day. April 30th, Honesty Day. April 1st is April Fool's Day.
And I pity the fool who messes with content creation.
Ah, Mr. T, always pitying the fool that messed with him. Well, we don't want you to mess with your content creation. That's why we put together these calendars. And today is a day to have a little fun. Maybe play a prank on someone. So talk to your tribe how over the last year, we've probably all had a pretty rough time. So today you could do a light-hearted prank on someone. Of course, the emphasis there is on light-hearted. Obviously, you want to make sure that this is something that will, well, make people laugh. Perhaps if you're doing a webinar, you could turn up in your pajamas and pretend you didn't realize that the cameras were actually rolling. I'm sure you can think of something, and no, I'm not wearing my pajamas. Well, maybe I am, who knows? But the main focus of today is to make people laugh. Are you laughing yet? Please laugh. If you're not laughing, laugh. As laughing is good for us, and boy, do we need it. The power of laughter will come up again this month on a few other holidays. So this is where we're going to start tying things in. Now, I think today is an ideal day to share this worksheet with your tribe. It's called The Power of Laughter, and maybe do a laughter clinic. So you could get people on a webinar and make them laugh. Tell funny stories that have happened in the last year, just to, get a bit of humor out there. Another thing is to think of all the funny pranks you've seen on TV and read as a child. As a fitness coach, you could buy some of those fake weights and replace them in the gym. Interesting. As a relationship coach, you can help couples play little tricks on each other to keep them in high spirits and get some laughter going. As a parenting coach, you can show your clients how to devise some funny pranks for their kids. Now, remember, today is all about fun and good fun and laughter. So go out there and make people laugh. April 2nd, of course, is Good Friday and the beginning of the Easter weekend, which includes Easter Monday. And let's talk about Easter weekend and the importance of this holiday for Christian coaches. Obviously, this weekend is one of the most important holidays for Christians worldwide and is an ideal time for reflection, coming together as a family and as a community and giving thanks and also praying together and, well, connecting back with their beliefs and obviously with God. As a Christian coach, you could brand and give away this action guide, the prayer book, Prayers for a Positive Lifestyle. And honestly, I think this is something that everyone needs after the last 12 months that we've had, to be honest. You know, people right now are missing a sense of community and need support. So perhaps you might consider creating a weekly prayer group online, which can, of course, have a small charge to attend. From here, you can then pray together and offer up prayers for others who need help. But one question that comes up is, what happens if you're not a Christian coach? Can you take advantage of this holiday? Well, that's a great question, and I think yes, you can. You can talk about how Easter is a time of rebirth, a time to renew yourself, and to think of hope and new beginnings. This theme is so important this year, and I think you could bring it into any coaching practice. Getting back in shape, improving your relationships, getting your business back on track, maybe finding a new job if you're a career coach. So can you see how the possibilities are endless? You just have to see how to integrate each holiday into your coaching practice. April 4th is World Health Day. Health. It's such a wide topic, from physical to mental health. And yeah, it's been a rough 12 months. Reports are coming out that more and more people are suffering from mental health issues. And in a country like Spain, they are telling us that amongst the younger generation, there is an unemployment rate of 40%. That's got to affect people hugely. Now, of course, when we are stressed, we tend to do things that we shouldn't. We drink more, we eat more, we probably sit around and watch TV more. And I know that when we were in lockdown, we did treat ourselves to chocolates now and again, especially when our friend from Ireland sent us some Cadbury's fruit and nut bars. Fruit and nut. And of course, with restrictions, we couldn't get out and walk as much as we wanted. So what did that mean? Well, just one thing. Your weight goes up, and of course you get more stressed. And yes, that did happen. So today, as a fitness coach, you can talk to your tribe about how they can make simple changes to make big changes. Remember, April showers bring forth May flowers. Well, small steps can reap big rewards over time. Today you could start to promote your new course, Weight Loss, Cutting Calories Made Easy, Diet and Nutrition. Yes, you can do this. This is your course. In fact, we already have it done for you. All you need to do is tweak it. You see how wonderful we are here at PLR.me that we've done this course for you? Let's look at what you get. You can see the course here on screen. There's a number of modules, and each module has a number of lessons. And you can just go in there and tweak every single lesson, present it as a video course, and you increase the perceived value. In other words, you can charge a little bit more. Now, before you panic, all you need is a smartphone and a tripod, and you're ready to record this course. Yes, you can do it. And check out the series of videos I created showing you how to do this. The link is in the description. Now, as a parenting coach, you can adapt this to show parents how they can ensure their kids are eating healthier. If you're an executive coach, you can bring in some of the modules to show that a healthy diet will reduce stress and help well-being. So you see how the possibilities are really endless and how you can tie all the different days in together. And you'll see how I'm going to bring this in another holiday. April 14th is Uh, April 14th is International Moment of Laughter Day. Tie this in with April Fools, bring it all together, because we started this month with April Fool's Day, pity the fool. Then we talked about World Health Day, and the 16th is National Stress Day. So let's start to see how we can tie everything together. Today, stop and have a moment. No, not a senior moment. No. Where are my glasses? Oh, but sorry, I mean a laughter moment. It's one thing that is so important, and it's to have a laugh. And as you know, I'm also the director of humor here at PLR.me. The team and many YouTube fans will actually verify this. Laughter is so good for you. It releases those things that make us feel happy, and when you're happy, you're going to see the world in a better light. But you know something? There are some people who don't see why they should have a sense of humor. I personally don't get it, but there are people. They are so serious. So today you can share this resource, 8 serious reasons to develop a sense of humor, and tell your tribe how important it is to have a sense of humor. Of course, we need to use this skill in appropriate situations, but it's important to be able to laugh at the world and sometimes at yourself too. Relationship coaches, laughter will help couples so much. Parenting coaches, laugh as a family. Set aside time to watch a comedy together. Business coaches, show how humor can be used appropriately with teams and employees. A great example of this is the whole Jerusalem Dance Challenge videos. If you've not seen them, basically different sectors challenged each other to do this dance challenge. From the police to airline staff and on. And it does bring a smile to your face when you're actually watching them. So check that out. April 16th is National Stress Day. Wow, this month really is talking about stress, right? And I guess coming after tax day in the US, it might be a great day to talk about this. Now, here is where you can tie everything in. Bring in how laughter can be good for the soul, how you can help your overall health by reducing your stress, by eating better. If you're a Christian coach, you could tie this back to Easter by saying, if you are feeling stressed, perhaps you need to revisit your relationship with God and pray for more guidance. Now, today I want to propose something to you, and that is to create a meditative audio. Now, hold on, don't get stressed, as that would defeat the point of today. Take this audio, positive flow meditative audio, and then record a guided meditation, or find an affirmation reflection you like from our resource library and record your voice talking over the audio. It's not that difficult. Or you could hire someone from a site like Fiverr.com to help you do the recording or the editing. This is one way to make our content uniquely yours. You could even use these as a podcast. Richard's 30-minute relaxation podcast. Not a bad idea. April 23rd is Lover's Day. But hold on, wasn't Lover's Day on February 14th? Well, hey, there's nothing bad about celebrating love twice in a year, right? We should celebrate it every day. Now, here we can tie into the previous holidays regarding laughter, health, and stress. If you're stressed, you're not going to be healthy. And this could also be affecting your relationship. And of course, so many people may look to others rather than looking inwards to try and repair their relationships. So relationship coaches, today is your day to shine. We have a great report called Fanning the Flames, revving up the romance in your relationship. You know, sometimes we take each other for granted, and we need to reflect and rebuild, and this resource will help. Now remember, as I mentioned in a previous video, Freud once said, an ebook is sometimes not just an ebook, it could be something else. He was ahead of his time, that lad. How he knew about ebooks, I don't know. Well, of course, he didn't say that, just in case people try and find that reference and that quote. So what you could do is take this ebook and turn it into a mini course, which of course you would record. Remember to follow the 3 R's. No, 2 of them are not Ronnie and Richard, but hey, if you follow us, that's perfect. Remember, the 3 R's are rewrite, repurpose, and recycle. you are free to repurpose all of our content. So turn the ebook into a video course. Once you have the videos, extract the audio and turn that into an audio course. Remember, rewrite, repurpose, and recycle. April 30th is Honesty Day. Honesty is so important, and it is one thing PLR.me is built on. Being honest, transparent, and really looking after our clients. And you as a coach know the importance of being honest as well. And sometimes you're going to have to say no to your clients that they have to face the facts about their situation. So many people live in denial. And here's an opportunity for a laughter moment. I once fell into an African river, but refused to accept it. I was in denial. Anyways, back to the more serious things that we should be talking about in this video. They often say that to overcome an addiction, you have to accept the facts and be truthful with yourself. Today's resource is an affirmation reflection, I face the facts. I think this would be an ideal giveaway item that you could brand with a call to action saying, if you need to talk this through, arrange an appointment with me, or you could link it to a video program that you have put together. Let's talk automation, baby. Come on, let's automate all of this. So they would click on the webpage where you sell them a video course that you've done talking about facing facts and understanding reality. As always, the idea of facing facts can be used by almost all coaches with just a little bit of tweaking. Okay, so there we are. We're coming to the end of another content calendar video, and I wanted to bundle in a few other things. I only tell you about one resource for selected holidays, but we have a lot of resources available for every single holiday, and there's more holidays in each month. And you can download these as a bundle. So this saves you time and credits. Just check out the bundle for each day where we give you all the resources for that day, which allows you to build out a nice substantial piece of content that you can publish. We also have theme-based bundles too, so you can check those out the next time you do a search. You'll see the actual bundles appear up at the top of the search results. Now, second important thing to do is to take action and subscribe to the channel. Like the video, and of course, as always, leave a comment. And finally, I've kept the best and most important thing to last. If you're not already a member of PLR.me, well, maybe it's time to sign up. And you have no excuse whatsoever, as we give you 2 free credits when you sign up for a free account. There's no credit card required, there's no hidden ifs, buts, or small print. In fact, every month we will give you 2 free credits just as a way of saying, hey, thanks for joining up, and we'd like you to try out our content and see how great it is. So all you need to do is just go to PLR.me and sign up. Well guys, that's the end of this video. Check out these other videos that we recommend for you to watch.